Hello, my dear English learner friends. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and safe wherever you are. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I truly believe English is an important skill in today's modern world. That is why I have taken a challenge to make 100 videos on 100 different topics in 100 days to improve my speaking. If you are passionate about English, you can join this journey with me. I wish good luck to everyone who is ready to take this step. So without any more delay, let's begin today's video. My today's topic is about city life. City life is very busy and full of activity. In a city, people wake up early and rush to schools, offices, factories, and markets. There are many tall buildings, big roads, shopping malls, hospitals, and modern facilities. City life gives people good opportunities for education, jobs, and businesses. Students can study in good schools and colleges, and people can choose different kinds of work. Transport in the city is easy because there are buses, trains, and rickshaws everywhere. We can enjoy parks, restaurants, cinemas, and many places for entertainment. However, city life also has some problems. The roads are often crowded and traffic jams waste a lot of time. The air and sound pollution make the environment unhealthy. People in the city are very busy, so they sometimes have less time for family and neighbors. Life can be expensive because house rent and daily costs are high. Even with these difficulties, many people like city life because it offers comfort and modern living. I think city life is exciting and full of chances, but we should try to keep a balance between work, health, and relationships to live happily in the city. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.